The basic lowering operation for your Scarab FR or Scarab TI is as follows. For further information on lowering operations, please see page 56 of the Technical Rescue Rigger's Guide. To begin the lowering operation, connect your Scarab to an appropriate anchor. It is not necessary to remember which direction the Scarab faces because it is multi-directional. It is, however, handy to have the Scarab oriented so that the crossbar opens up towards your head, not down towards the ground. Once your Scarab is oriented in the direction that you would like, take your rope, make a bight of rope by running the rope back on itself, and simply reeve the bight through the central hole of the Scarab, trapping it with the crossbar. Next, take the in-feed of the rope and hook it over a forward horn. This is the ready position for both lowering and rappelling operations. Once we have the rope attached around the forward horn, we're ready for the ready commands of the rescue operation. Once the ready commands have been called, the next command would be approach the edge. When we hear the approach the edge command, we simply remove the rope from that forward horn and allow the rope to flow until the rescue patient package is at the edge and ready to tension the system. Once we are at that point, we hook the forward horn again and the command will come, prepare to tension the system. When we hear that command, we will engage all 4 horns of the Scarab. At this point, we are ready for the full force of the patient rescue package to load onto the system. It is not necessary to lock off at this point. The next command would be tension the system. The rescue patient package will then be put into place and hung in a vertical position. After that, the next command would be down. And all the rescue operator needs to do at that point is find the spot at which the Scarab allows the rescue patient package to lower at a nice controlled rate. We're lowering here. If we need to go a little faster, we can change the angle of attack or even drop a bar. If at some point we need to stop the system, we simply hold all 4 horns again with the rope. And if there's an extended period of time to stop, we will lock off the Scarab by taking a bight of rope, turning it back on itself, and cleating off on a forward horn, exactly the same way you would tie a boat off at a dock. At this point, it is safe to let go of your Scarab rope. If you have to leave the rescue system completely unattended in an emergency, you can take a second bight of rope, twist it on itself, and connect it like this. This is called a hard lock and will hold until the rope breaks. Lowering again and stopping, locking off,